Alright guys, welcome back to Jason's Design Shop. Today we're going to make a table from a stump that we cut in previous videos. Cherry round log tabletop. Let's get started. That's right, we are going to make a table. Gonna be pretty cool. I'm really excited about this. First thing we have to do is make a sled to run the router back and forth over the tabletop and smooth it all out, because we cut it with a chainsaw, right? So it's pretty crappy and rough and not flat. So let's get started. Make it quick because we don't want to waste time on a sled. Alright guys, I went down to Home Depot. Wood is twice as expensive as it used to be, so I just bought this piece of MDF and we're going to make a router sled out of it. And then we'll get started routering the log top. So let's make this happen. Lots of videos showing you how to make cool sleds. I'm not going to do that. Just going to crank this thing out really fast. So let's go. Alright, part 1, draw it out. Part 2, cut it. Part 3, glue and screw it. And we'll be done.
That was cool.
Beeswax. What is that? That's the smoother edge right there. Ooh, maybe even straight down. All right. Alright, there it is. Slide across the thing, going back and forth. I'm excited. That's pretty good. Some sticks here to keep it going straight on there. right, we are getting close. Got this jig up high enough, had to add some little legs to it, as you saw in the time lapse there. And now it slides just over it. And I can always lift this up and get this level and all that. Excited. Let's get the router in here, level this out. This is wobbly. That's what I got some shims for. Right. Hey, that's level right there. That's perfectly flat. So we want to get it to that. There. Here we go. Start with that. Bam. Rockin'. All right, gonna GoPro this, ready to go. I made a massive amount of dust just cutting this hole bigger because the blade's pretty big. I got a bigger one. Keep this thing on. All right, here we go. Here we go. First slab. Off. All right, we took off this whole side here. It'll burn it where it stands still. That'll sand off. That looks cool though. All right, we get lower, we'll hit this step, get it all flat. Woohoo! That's exciting. A lot of dust. Getting there. That's quite a bit more. Maybe one more pass. That is awesome. Okay, we gotta get that. Next pass, we're done. Turn it over. Look how it's drying. All the flakes. This is some kind of mold. Strange. Okay. Gotta get that spot. that came out awesome in one pass. Let's move this wood. Alright, we'll have to choose what side we want for the top and then figure out the bottom. Thinking of just using cherry logs coming out. That'll be cool. Alright. Question is, are we going to finish breaking this and glue it back together or leave the big crack in it with just this part connecting? And this stuff in here, we're going to dig this out. It's pretty hard. I don't know. Let's see here. Oh yeah. This wood is really loose. Oh, come on. Oh, that's gonna come out of here. There it is. Yeah. That's pretty rotten. All right. It's everywhere. And I just cleaned the garage. Ta-da! That's it, guys. Cleaned it up best I could for now. See you next time when we continue this project.